Guys, this is a massive apple tree. This is about 100 years old and it is still bearing. Look at it, guys. My goodness, look at the top. It is filled with apples. Vitamin C everywhere. I tell you, in the rural part of Jamaica, every fruit tree that is available, it is here. Look there. Look there, guys. Look there. This tree is about, as I said, it's about 100 years old. Look at the amount of apple. It is laden with apples. Look there. There's another one there. There's another one right here. Another one right here, filled with apples. We call it the Oti apple. Very sweet, very juicy, and it is filled with vitamin C. That's the tree. Move along here. This is croton trees again. These are the fine ones. Very nice. There.
This is the apple tree.
Yeah, come in. Yeah. There, guys. Croton everywhere. Everywhere, guys. Croton. This is a banana tree with its banana hanging with the shoot. We call this the shoot. We call this the shoot, giving it the entire banana leaf. Banana tree. See there? The leaves, see there? Some of them are dried because the banana is about to be removed from the tree. We call it, it is fit. It is right here, guys. Right there. Crotons again. Right along, right along. Guys, this is a breadfruit tree. A breadfruit tree, guys, is not bearing, but look how massive. I tell you that all the trees here are massive. Look there. The breeze is swinging it in all directions. Guys, I'm taking you way up the top. See them there? Oh my goodness. For those of you who have never seen a breadfruit tree, this is what it looks like. And it is intertwined with cocoa, with the cocoa tree. And this is a banana tree. Taking you right along, guys, right along. This is an old apple tree that most of the branches were removed and the leaves are springing again. Look there, look how beautiful it is. Look there, guys. Taking you right along. Right along. This is a coconut tree. Coconut tree with young coconuts. Look there, guys. Young coconuts. See there? These are the leaves. Banana again, right here. This is a plantain tree, guys. You don't know what a plantain tree looks like? This is it. This is it, guys. So the fruit there, it's not fully mature. It's not fully mature. But there it is, guys. There it is. Beautiful bunch of plantains. The beautiful hills of St. Catherine, Glengoff to be exact. Can I tree this, Miss Later? Can I tree this? Oh. This is an old mango tree. Look how massive the trunk is. Oh my goodness, look here. Oh my goodness, this tree is about 100 years old. Look there. Look there. Look how big this mango tree is, guys. This is called the airy mango. Airy mango tree. Or Sweetie come brush me. Jamaicans who know the mango tree or the mangoes that name Sweetie come brush me. Sweetie mango, look there. all the way up. I'm stretching my camera all the way up. Oh my goodness. Look how wide the leaves, the limbs have spread, or the branches. Look there. Look there. I tell you guys, Jamaica, 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 land we love. Full of beautiful people. We have a lot of resources, the fruits, the human resource, the people. Very kind, very caring. Look at this massive apple tree. Look there, guys. Oh my goodness. Look there, look at the trunk. Look there. This is another one, guys. Look there. And back the mango tree. Look how far the branches have extended. Look there. Oh my goodness. And we are down to we call it the banana walk. Lots of banana. Look there. Look there, guys. Lots of banana. We have every banana. We have the Gross Mitchell. We have the Lakatan. We have the Bumpy. We have the sweet banana. Look there. We have Dasheen. We have Cocoa. Everything as far as you can see, guys. This is Jamaica in Glengoff. Very lush place. Look at it. Lots of fruits. Lots of vegetables. Lots of plants. Look there. Look at the grass. Look how green this place is. Oh, this is a young coconut tree. Look here. Just planted maybe about 3 years ago or 4 years ago. Look there. Look there. This was planted. It's a young coconut tree, not ready to be producing coconut. The jelly, not ready for that yet, but it is in the process. Maybe the next year or so, we will get a lot of coconut from this tree. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Guys, I'm taking you all around this mango tree. Look there. There, guys. Look there. All the way down. It's over 100 years old. Look there. Massive. Yeah. There. Massive mango tree. Massive.